Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Jinko Solar Holdings, and if you have seen my previous video, I have covered this video last month and the stock has indeed doubled from that level where I was talked about the breakout. So as you can see, the stock moved more than 150% since that level. So if you have seen my previous video, I hope it would have helped you to understand the trend. Okay, so now with this big move, the stock has indeed makes a breakout, and we are going to look at the levels which one can see probably in the days as well as in the months to come. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now you have your big resistance at $43.42, and since the breakout has happened, the stock is moving in one direction, and that is on the upside. But understand this is a trend and things can happen or things can move in both the ways, so we have to understand and act accordingly. Now with this up move, you have your first support at 43, then you have your next support at 38, and finally you have your further support at $31. So these three levels are very important even if the stock has made a big move, because in case of any adverse scenarios you should understand where your support level lies. Now with this up move, because it has broken the level after 8 years, so obviously it has its own meaning, or the trend, this trend breakout indeed carries lots of weight. So now we are going to discuss about the target. See, understand that understanding the trend is not a difficult task, but just be with the trend is indeed a difficult task, because the news, if somebody is involved in the stock market and if he or she don't control or able to manage their emotion, then it would be a very hard thing, because uh, every day is a new day in the stock markets and the things are changing in a lot frequent manner. So if you cannot understand or able to manage your feelings or emotions, you will be in a deep trouble. Okay, so for the time being, what one can see here looking at the trend, that you have a target. Okay, you have your big target which will be in between, here you can have in between 136 to $165. Okay, so because I can also say, looking at the trend, I can simply say obviously the exact target will be $143, but this is not this may look simple, but this is actually not, because we don't know the actual movement. That's why a little bit of variances will always be there. That's why the big resistance or target will be in between 130 and $165 on the upside. So this is what your big trend is currently saying right now. So you have to resist yourself till this level. And one more thing, once the stock makes a breakout above this line, then only it will be a start of new trend again. Okay, because although it has making a breakout, but this is, if you are considering this as a trend, you can see that this level will definitely act as a big resistance. So let the stock reaches this level and makes a breakout above this line and then sustain above this line, then only we can say that okay, this is a start of a fresh trend, or the rally may sustain above 130 $140, whatever the price may be. But it has to sustain, makes a breakout and sustain over this trend, then only you can see a big trend which is about to happen in the long term. So for the time being, you just restrict yourself to these levels, and if you're looking at the trend, you have your downside support. Big support will be in between 14 and $10 on the downside, and on the upside you have 130 and 165. In between you have these three levels which are very important. So understand the trend, where the trend is going and where your important support and resistance level lies, and then take your decision accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.